Guys, I'm glad to welcome you to our channel. Franklin Trade is with you. I decided to devote our second video to one of the fundamental topics for everyone, especially novice traders, because a deep understanding of what the construction of your future strategies is based on directly affects the success of your trades. So let's talk about the 4 basic parameters of your best strategy. Colleagues, be sure to watch this video to the end. After all, after viewing it, you will understand much more precisely what needs to be done to build a strategy that will suit you and bring maximum profit. At the same time, I will try to motivate you as much as possible, so in honor of the launch of the channel, I'm announcing a competition for $500, which will fall on your deposit if you follow 4 simple steps. Subscribe to us on Telegram and to this YouTube channel, watch the video from start to finish and don't forget to write a comment. The results of the competition will be announced in our open group in Telegram. All winners will be announced there, so don't forget to subscribe. So, have you subscribed to the channel? Did you like the video? Do you press the notification bell? Then let's begin. Let's move on to the analysis of the first currency pair, Australian dollar and US dollar. So I'll immediately mark the resistance area on the graph. As you can see, buyers have already attempted to break through this level twice, both at the beginning and at the moment of our entry into the trade. However, sellers effectively counteract the rebound, significantly saturating their volumes, leading to a gradual but steady downtrend. Next, we observe the formation of 2 flats simultaneously on the chart, indicating a potential decrease in the market activity. However, there is a clear resurgence in bearish activity afterward, resulting in the formation of a local minimum. I cannot help but notice that sellers have exerted a considerable amount of effort during these movements, and buyers could not miss this opportunity. Now, by increasing their volumes indicators, buyers confidently drive the trend upwards towards the resistance area. We can clearly see their significant positions in the market. However, I'm convinced that another bounce from the resistance level awaits us. This belief is based on the historical data, as there have been no breakthroughs of the level, no expectation of updating the local maximum, and also considering volume indicators and the relative strength indicator. I'm confident that now is time to capitalize on the downward movement, and that's exactly what we will do. Without wasting time, I switch to a broker and invest in a down trade. We will work for 3 minutes and the investment will be $500. Guys, I'm sure we choose a great entry point into the trade. Yes, we may experience minor fluctuations in the trend, but ultimately we will still see a pullback, which will lead us to good profits. And well, while we accompany the trading session, I would like to tell you a little about the first 2 parameters of your best strategy. The first is signals. Not every established trading strategy includes trading signals. For this reason, it is a smart decision to choose your own accurate signal provider. Signals are notifications from intraday traders and brokers with recommendations for entering a trade. The signals will be especially useful for those who want to engage in day trading. Signals will help you to save time on tracking and interpreting market trends, but only if they are high quality and accurate. However, for beginners, I still recommend doing your own research first to understand how the market works. Second, risk management. Risk management, as you know, is at the heart of trading. Any trading involves increased risk, which is why many experienced traders invest no more than 1 or 5% of their total capital into a trade. I recommend risking no more than 1% of your capital, especially if you are new in trading. Applying this knowledge will allow you to minimize risk and not lose all your money. when starting to trade, always calculate your position size for each trade. However, the work of building a strategy in any case is a complex and time-consuming process. You need to continuously learn and strive to improve. And if you feel insecure but at the same time are ready to work together in a well-coordinated team and achieve financial independence, then the following recommendations are especially for you. I invite you to become a part of exclusive VIP group on Telegram, where a unique experience awaits you and new perspectives. Our team will provide you with an individual analysis that reveals your strengths and weaknesses. In addition, you will master aspects of trading psychology and learn how to develop your own trading strategies. Under our guidance, you will gradually put the acquired knowledge into practice during your daily trading sessions. If you are striving to change your life and achieve success, our team is ready to provide you with all the support you need. Just send us a personal message with the phrase "I want to join the club," and you can discover a lot of new things. It is important to remember that to achieve your dream, you need to invest a lot of effort, overcome all your fears, and constantly improve yourself. Well, all the necessary contact information is available in the description under this video. Well, the first deal has come to an end. Quite expectedly, we saw on the graph attempts by buyers to reverse the trend vector, but in general, the situation turned out in the best way for us. The sellers confidently kept the trend below the entry point, which ultimately leads us to a stable consolidation of the result and a plus on the deposit. Great. Let's not waste time, let's move on to the second currency pair, Euro and Australian dollar. First, let me note the flat that forms at the very beginning of the chart. We see high volatility and general market activity at this moment, which led to its formation. Next, the sellers come into play. They saturate the volumes, and this leads to a fall in the trend and the formation of a cup technical analysis figure due to a sharp reversal in the trend movement under the influence of accumulated forces and volumes from buyers. As you can see, the trend has made a slight rise. However, the fact of the presence of a cup figure may indicate an imminent reversal, which is what is happening. We see how the relative strength indicator clearly shows us the current trend and its potential movement in the future. I would also note the very serious work of sellers on volumes and the formation of a descending wedge, which also, in the logic of the market, may indicate a continuation of the trend's decline in the near future. So let's work down again. I return to the broker and invest in the trade down, again for 3 minutes, also $500. Friends, I have no doubt that we will face a further decline in the trading process. Of course, there will be attempts by the bulls to make a reversal, which we will observe in the form of impulses on the chart, but I'm convinced that at the end of the trading session, we will achieve a positive result. Well, while the second trade is in progress, let me tell you two more important aspects in building your best strategy. The third aspect is strike. The strike is the price at which a specific contract will be executed. For a reliable trading strategy, you should define the choice of clear criteria for strikes. For example, if a trader believes that a particular option will not reach a certain target price level, he should sell binary strikes above his target price with the same types of binary options. A good strategy clearly describes how a trader should act in relation to strike prices. And of course, emotional control. Emotional control is very important for any type of investing, but it is especially important when trading binary options. Due to the high volatility of the market, a trader can easily make a mistake with the forecast and lose money. A good strategy should always include a high level of emotional control. At the same time, I realized that all of this may seem like advanced mathematics for a beginner trader, potentially discouraging involvement in what I won't hesitate to call a complex endeavor. However, don't worry, our channel is designed to help you overcome all challenges and achieve success in this field. Join our open Telegram group where people with common goals have come together. Personal growth, financial independence, and overcoming fears. In our group, you will receive daily analytics and we will share our thoughts and valuable trading advice. Special attention is given to preparing your psychology to help you navigate the challenges that may arise during trading. I believe that your success depends not only on knowledge but also on a resilient psychological state. Now is the perfect moment to take control of your life and move forward. You can find all the necessary links to connect with us in the description below this video. Well, the second deal is also coming to an end. We observed generally quite stable and confident trading. Almost from the very beginning, the trend confidently remained below the entry point with periodic impulse corrections from buyers. Well, the result was consolidated at the end of the trading session, so we again exit with good plus. Guys, we did a great job in this video. We closed 2 successful trades, which replenished our deposit by $920 and also discussed with you the basics of building a good strategy just for you. In conclusion, I will remind you that you subscribe to the channel as well as to our open and closed groups in Telegram, because we have even more deals ahead, even more interesting news and training. In general, a lot of useful things for you, which is aimed at enabling you to work as productively as possible and reach those heights that yesterday seemed unattainable. Thank you all for your attention, and remember, everything is in our hands.